If you're considering moving to Laguna Beach, obviously you need to know what is going on in the real estate market. So we are here to help you. By the way, if you need to contact us, feel free to reach out to the description below. But as we can see here, here's how the market is trending right now in Laguna Beach specifically. The average list price in Laguna Beach is $7 million. Price reductions have gone up by 33%. There's been 20 price reductions in the last 30 days. And just so you know, this is a rolling 30 days. We do this market report every single week. So if you're looking for market reports in coastal Orange County, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're bringing updates all the time. Active listings right now, 132 active listings, which is pretty good. We're up 2%. New listings to the market in the last 30 days, 34. Now, the more and more listings we can get on the market, the better. We can bring the average price to the downside. Now, remember, this is just listed price. Now, for what has sold in the last 30 days, we've had 48 sold, which is quite a rebound. Market is doing much, much better. In February, we had the lowest month ever recorded for sales in Laguna Beach at 12. So now here in April, we are up to 48, which is great. And we're coming close to May. So we should wrap up April pretty solid here. Average sale price is $4.3 million. So you'll notice that the list price, sale price is significantly different. You have to understand also, for those of you looking to move to Laguna Beach, there is a wide range of prices here. You can find homes from 1.5 million all the way up to $30-40 million. So it just depends on what your price range is. So a lot of people get scared away when they see this number, but the reality is there is a home for $1.5 million in Laguna Beach that may fit what you're looking for. There is a home that is $40 million that may be what you're looking for as well. So it just depends. Reach out to us and we can help you out. Currently, the average price per square foot is $2,000 and sold is up 182%. So like I said, February was low. March did better. April's doing significantly better, up 182% in the last rolling 30 days. So that is fantastic. Market's coming back around. People are deciding also to put their homes on the market, which is good. So the more homes we have on the market, the better. Also here in Laguna Beach, we have a ton of rentals. So if you're looking to move to Laguna Beach, but you don't want to spend $5 million, you want to come test out the market, see what it's like, reach out and we can show you the listings in town as well. So currently the hot listings that are out there on the market, we have right here 10 North La Cinda Drive, and this one is currently at $15,000 a month for lease. If you're looking for a summer or yearly rental, let us know. We can help you out. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,866 square feet on an 8,283 square foot lot. Take a look at a couple of these pictures here. It is literally right on the ocean. This place is phenomenal. The stunning home is located in a guard-gated community, has breathtaking oceanfront views and locations. With one of the best private beaches in the area just a short walk away and ocean views for miles, this sun-filled home is the perfect oasis for the Southern California vacation, an easy drive to everything you'll want to experience in Laguna Beach. Another hot listing here is 1261 Oceanfront, and this one is $12,900,000. And this one is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,539 square feet on a 1,470 square foot lot. And we'll take a couple of look at these pictures here. Now, this home, I actually see this home quite frequently because it's right by my favorite surf spot over by Brook Street here. This house is phenomenal. Very, very beautiful. So as you can see, as we flip through these pictures, this is oceanfront architecture, is located within walking distance of the village restaurants and shops of Laguna Beach. Years in the making, award-winning Horst architects designed this contemporary home, which encompasses 4 floors, interconnected with a glass elevator under a curved metal roof, bright natural light, in an abundance, and ocean views. So, hey, if you move into this house, you'll actually be able to watch me surf right here. This is my surf spot right there. You can come check it out. And if you do move this house, you need help moving into this house, we can help you. And I can give you free surfing lessons if you move into town. So let's make that happen. And currently the most expensive home listed in Laguna Beach right now is 32221 Coast Highway. This is an absolute compound. There's multiple homes on this place. It's got beachfront. access. It is located right off of PCH. It's a 7-bedroom, 6-bath, 3,243 square foot main property. The most spectacular oceanfront estate offerings seen in Laguna Beach in decades, presents 3.7 acres of magnificent oceanfront land. And that is just absolutely epic, unheard of, with 320 feet of ocean frontage. The sequestered one-of-a-kind compound is the largest in Laguna. Breathtaking views of the coastline, ocean, and sandy cove below are unsurpassed. And here are some market details for Laguna Beach. The average listing price right now, as we talked about, $6.62 million as of April 23rd. As of March 23rd, it was 6.47. And in February, it was 6.25. So you can see our average list price right now is starting to creep up. And the active listings are also starting to creep up. So very exciting. Market getting back into the action. January was extremely low, 107, and then 121 in February, 129 in March, and now here in April, 136 homes. Currently, the highest homes sold in Laguna Beach was for $43,500,000, and that was 66 Emerald Bay. And then also recently sold $3 million right here, sold on April 18th, 2023, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,540 square feet. And then also recently sold for $2,800,000, 3-bed, 3-bath. That would be 1210 Anacapa, $2.8 million. So if you are looking to move here, whether it's buy, lease, rent, let us know. We are here to help you out. My contact information is right down below in the description. My name, my phone number, email address, our website. You can go view every one of these properties. And you can also reach out to me. You can actually book an appointment directly with me on a Zoom call or in person. That link is also in the description. Hey, what's going on? My name is Ryan Huggins. I'm a Laguna Beach real estate agent and the host of Living in Laguna Beach. If it's your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and tap the little notification bell so that way you're notified every single time that we upload a new video. If you're thinking about moving to one of the cities that I talk about on this channel, shoot me a call, text, or email anytime. Every single day, we get people just like you that are moving here, and we love it. That's what we do. We help people relocate and buy homes in Laguna Beach and the surrounding areas. So if you ever need anything, my contact information will be in the description.